Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert page border in Google Docs. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab, and after that we need to go to Drawing options. Now I need to click on New button, and then Drawing window will be successfully displayed here. So now we need to go to this one option. This option is Shape. We need to go to Shapes and we need to select here Rectangle. Then I draw here a simple rectangle, maybe something like that. I need to change the fill color, so I click here and I change it to white. Now I go to border color settings and I click here on black. Then I go to border weight settings and I select here 2 pixels. Now I click Save and Close button, and how you see border has been successfully added to our document. We need to edit it, so we click on it and we need to select this one option, behind text. Now I need to resize this border maybe to this position. I will resize it to the right and to the left and maybe to the upper position, maybe somewhere here. We can do it manually and we can change position of this border to center it. So in this way we have successfully created a page border in Google Docs. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.